Hello, I'm Nathan Phipps with Wiglaf Pricing, and I can't wait to join the Professional Pricing Society for their European Virtual Conference this upcoming December. There, I'll be giving a workshop on telling your pricing story. In this workshop, I'll be teaching you about the fact that although data analysis is an important part of any pricing project, you can actually motivate your audience and drive change quicker by finding the story in your data analysis. So I'll be teaching you about using your data to craft a pricing story that's tailored to your audience. I'll review some common obstacles that you may run into, and I'll also show you how to use the 3 fundamental pricing analysis tools to better tell your story. It's going to be a great time, and you do not want to miss it. For more information, check out pricingsociety.com, and I will see you in December.